I heard you didn't put out any other products within a 2-year period,
Yes.
which is a long time. Like knowing sa beauty, ha.
I know. So basta for the first 3 years, we released whatever we can release.
Okay,
So our TLC spray, it's there. The one na naka-box.
eto this one.
Yes, the
Okay.
TLC spray. I think that's the product that put us in the map.
Oh,
So the TLC spray, that's a restorative facial mist. When we were starting, hindi pa uso yung facial mist noon.
right.
And naisip ko, hello, sobrang init dito. We need something na
Pang-refresh.
pang-refresh.
Yeah.
And that works like magic. It's like a skincare magic in a bottle.
Okay.
So that's a TLC spray. So yun, paunti-unti nag-release kami. Nakaya namin yung TLC spray. Then we had the powder, the lipstick. But then eventually, parang, oh my gosh, naubos pala yung pera natin sa kaka-release. And that's why we weren't able to release for 2 years.
Right.
It's only until recently, our skin spritz,
Okay,
that
that's
we were able to release something. So what we did there, so last year, di ba, na-mention ko na, okay, I wanted to
Sobrang
quit
difficult.
Cloche Flame.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, I'm only giving Cloche Flame a year. If hindi to magsusurvive, ayoko na, di ba? So, the last chance was the skin spritz. But the skin spritz, we've been working on it for 2 years na rin. 2-3 years. We've been working on fragrance. December, I said, we need to release something talaga. Kasi hindi pwede mag-3 years na tayo walang na-release. So what we did, we released the Discovery set. So it's a mini
A
version.
smaller.
Yeah, trial version. And then boom, made demand.
Oh,
Made
dun yun na,
demand.
so yun yung naging turning point.
Yes, yun naging turning point. Then we were able to release recently
Lumakas ulit yung flame
Yes.
natin doon. Dahil
Yes.
doon.
the
I'm
skin
so curious. Oh.
It smells so good. It's a body and hair fragrance mist. So you can use it for your hair,
very
your
tropical
body.
nga.
Yes.
Ang bango.
Yan, recent lang yan. So, yun, all of our products, we work hard talaga.
Right.
Soon, next month. I don't know when this episode will be out, but hopefully when this episode is out, nalabas na yung new product. But that new product, it took us 3 years to develop. And, you know, sometimes it takes time.
That's true.
And, wala, you just have to...
Good things take time.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Arian, nabanggit mo kanina na, di ba, during your first year, na-surpass nyo na yung 1 million, di ba? 1 million milestone. Pero, totoo pala talaga na hindi porke sa simula ay may signs of success na ay tuloy-tuloy ito lagi.
Yeah.
Pero di ba, aside sa revenue, I believe founders find that keeping in passion alive is a milestone already. So, Arian, beyond the sales, what would you consider a milestone for Cloche Flame and you?
Just being here.
That's true because it's so competitive.
Yes.
Super.
Sobra.
It's already a milestone.
Oh.
Like after 5 years, I'm still doing what I love.
Oh.
I'm doing it not just for me, but for the people who believed in us since day one.
Yeah.
Yung pag nagla-live kami, sinasabi, laban, si Cloche Flame, ilaban nyo. Yung mga ganon. And just doing things on your own. Imagine, like, some brands, they would get live, kunyari for live streams, diba? They would get like agencies and
Yeah.
that's our dream. Mag-agency kami. And they need help. Pero for us, we do things on our own. And I think that's a milestone. We were able to get 400 viewers organically.
That's nice.
Na yung setup, kami-kami lang. So that's an example. Marami. So just being here, doing what we're doing and wearing multiple hats.
That's true.
That's already a milestone for us.
Yeah.
And not quitting. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
Ang hirap kasi talaga nung industry ni Arian, ha? Pero how excited are you now na bumalik yung fire na nakita mo before and parang biglang, oh my God, eto na ulit siya. So how excited are you for Cloche Flame?
I'm over the moon. As in, super, super excited. Because like, for the past 2 years, I feel like I was so detached na kay Cloche.
Right.
And I never thought that I would come to the point na ayoko na ever. Because sobrang attached ako. That's my baby,
Exactly.
diba?
Oo.
So right now that I'm rekindling the flame, I'm so happy. I'm just so happy to be in this place. To be doing this again and to be sharing, you know, our story
Yeah.
and hopefully reach more people in this. I call this the rebirth of Klosh Flame.
That's true. Pero
Yeah.
ano ba yung mga sacrifices na sa tingin mo hindi nakikita ng mga tao behind the doors? Because they only see the product. Sabi nga natin, end product ng lagi na
Yeah.
nakikita
Mhm.
nila. Ano yung nangyari like in between na sacrifice before it even gets to them? That really like, oh my God, ito yung kailangan nilang malaman para alam nila why I keep on doing it.
I always say like having a business is like having a child, but I don't have a child yet. But feeling ko ganon in a way na you have to nurture it. Yung savings ko, doon na pupunta.
Right.
Diba? It has to grow. It has to, like a baby, kailangan maging toddler, then kailangan maging full-grown adult siya na kaya niya ng even without me. So the sacrifices talaga that people don't see. Yun, one of which would be, my savings. It's all nasa Klosh Flame before. Second would be the sleepless nights because we have to do everything. Especially if it's like a big double campaign.
Right.
I have to stay up until like 2 a.m. do the live streams myself, set it up myself. We have pop-ups, kami nag-i-ingress, kami nag-i-egress,
Oh my
kami
gosh.
magda-drive to the event. May time na,
Kayo magbubuhat.
yes, meron kaming event last year lang. Kami na nag-drive, kami pa nagbuhat, kami pa nag-host.
my
So,
gosh.
I think that's the sacrifice that people don't see. It's so easy to see on social media. Sobrang ayos na. Sobrang,
Tapos
perfect,
nadjudge.
diba? Perfect
Nadjudge pa.
diba? Curated na everything. But
Right.
they don't see the hard work and I think the work
Very
ethic
true. Mhm.
behind everything.
Everything. That's very, very true.
Having said that, Arian, so how proud are you of yourself today?
Oh, that's such a nice question. No one has asked me that ever. I think it's safe to say I'm proud of myself. Yeah, I'm very proud of myself. Because I tend to, someone said to me na I'm a very empathetic and I'm very, I'm full of love and care for other people na feeling ko di ko siya nabibigay sa sarili ko. So it's nice to say na, yes, I'm very proud of myself.
Oh, that's so nice. Pero babalikan ko lang.
Yeah.
So, with that one, nabawi niyo na ba yung losses at nabayaran ba natin si Kuya na kumakatok sa Meralco?
Yes, actually, just this year, nabayaran na namin si Meralco.
Yes, love
Nabayaran namin
it.
si Meralco, nabayaran namin yung rent, nabayaran namin lahat ng whatever
Oh, that's so
Expenses.
nice.
expenses. Yes. So we're now trying to, rebuild Klosh Flame slowly but surely. Because like, I know, you see a lot of beauty brands, grabe din mag-release, di ba, ng product sunod-sunod.
Grabe talaga.
Yes. And for us, it's okay for us if we take it slowly.
That's true.
At least it's,
Yeah, one step at a
very,
time.
yes, it's very intentional naman what we do. And I think you see it then with our products.
That's true.
Yeah.
So with that in mind, now na nabawi na natin yung losses
Yes.
natin at na-reignite yung flame natin, what is next for Arian and Klosh Flame?
For me, I'm always on to the next idea.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. I'm like, okay, if we can do this, yes, okay, game. So that's for me. And for Klosh Flame, beauty will always be in our DNA.
Mhm.
So there's that. Today, that's for makeup and skincare.
Mhm.
But for tomorrow, we'll never know. It could be pwedeng furniture, di ba? You were saying, di ba?
Yeah.
Pwedeng furniture. Pwede siyang pwedeng cafe. Who knows,
Right.
di ba? We could explore other arenas outside of beauty.
Pwede ring lifestyle.
Yes,
Yeah.
lifestyle. That's the
Yeah.
fun part of
Lifestyle.
doing this because more than just like beauty products, we want to sell experiences
Exactly.
and like
Oh,
seeing
that's
beauty
nice.
lang in the everyday life, di ba?
Oh boss, deserve mo malaman ng buong kwento niyan.
Huwag kang mag-alala. The full episode is now up on YouTube and Spotify.
Follow us on our social media pages for more updates. This is Benta Bosses by Quotable AI.